We recorded the motion of the head and the bow of first section violinists of an orchestra who were sitting either in a normal position or a perturbed position, where they turned their back on the conductor. We expected that violinists would compensate for the perturbation and try to better frame the timing of their movements by increasing the coupling between head and bow motion, which we confirmed with cross-correlations. While the manipulation did not affect the movement of the bow in terms of amplitude or frequency, it drastically reduced the amplitude of head motion, which also shifted toward a new regime in terms of frequency composition. A wider array of periodicities that matched the metrical hierarchy of the musical score was observed in the head motion during perturbation, which we interpret as a sensory stimulation that allows to better attend to and coordinate bow motion. As a result, coupling actually increased at multiple timescales during perturbation.